This brand offers a wide selection of models and the ability to customize them to meet the needs of the individual home. All of the units include their forever guarantee, but it requires enrollment in the filter subscription service. The T500 model is a basic tower unit with a 3-speed fan, a 500 square feet coverage area, and a 145 CFM delivery rate, while the BreatheSmart Flex model has a 4-speed fan, a 700 square feet coverage, and a 225 CFM CAD rating. The BreatheSmart FIT50 model with a 900 square feet coverage area and a 220 CFM delivery rate includes a built-in air quality sensor which can control the 4-speed fan when it is engaged. The BreatheSmart Classic model has a 1,100 square feet coverage with a 300 CADR rating and offers an optional ionizer. The BreatheSmart 45i and 75i models feature real-time air quality monitoring with a 5-color LED light along with Wi-Fi connectivity, but they are not voice command enabled, so they must be controlled through their smartphone app. The purifiers can be purchased through their website or Amazon store. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.